Hi everybody. I wanted to talk to you for a little bit about one of the biggest problems I have with the summer and 3 of my children at home who are boys and very active. They come home constantly with wet, stinky socks, wet bathing suits that have been left behind in bags. Heaven forbid they've been at camp for a week and they come home with a suitcase full of stinky, musty clothing. My oldest son plays lacrosse, so he's on the lacrosse field all day. His pads, his helmet gets smelly. So let's talk about what we can do to naturally and safely deodorize this stuff. One of my favorite things to use for this is an essential oil by Plant Therapy, and it's called Deodorizing Synergy Blend. And you can use this oil in a couple of different ways. Number one, if you're washing your laundry, I like to I put my laundry detergent in before the clothes, and then I'll take the deodorizing oil and put 3 to 4 drops right on top of the laundry detergent that's already in the washing machine, and then put the clothes in and wash them on your normal cycle. That works. I can't even tell you how that works, especially like stinky socks and things like that. But beyond that, you can also use this in a spray bottle, and I've done this before with my son's lacrosse equipment. And so what you do is you want a spray bottle like this. This is a glass amber bottle. You can find these on Amazon. But you definitely want it to be amber, because if not, if you put it in a plastic clear bottle or even a glass bottle that's clear, the essential oil is going to break down, and you don't want that to happen when the sunlight hits it. So make sure you get a bottle that's like this, glass amber bottle, fill it up with water, and put, say, 20 to 30 drops of the deodorizing blend in the bottle. And then what I do with equipment is I saturate the equipment, not saturate that it's soaking and dripping, but spray it all over. And then often, for added effect, I'll just take it and place it in the sun. Direct sunlight for maybe an hour or 2 until it's completely dried, and that usually does the trick. I've sprayed this through his sports bag before if it's stinky. You can even use this if your pet has an accident or you need to freshen up your couch or furniture just a bit. A couple sprays again just to saturate the area gently and let it air dry, and it works fabulously. So check it out. Again, it's the Plant Therapy Deodorizing Synergy Blend, and I love it, and it's safe and it's very effective. Have a great day, everybody.